and it throws out. Any other food can do that. Of course, they can do it, but cucumber and tomato has a higher potency to take the virus with them and convert them. It's like in that feces, the virus is there. Other food might not be able to do the way cucumber and tomato is doing. Are you understanding? Type yes in the. Voice is 100% okay. Yeah. 100 in the chat box. Okay. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. So my voice is 100% okay. That's amazing. जैसे आपको लगे voice में कुछ दिक्कत आ रही, you can let me know. Perfect. So now you need to think like a producer. You need to see what are the resources around you, and everything I have given you evidences. And these foods, these treatment is ancient. It is ancient. Nobody knew what is paracetamol, Dolo 20, 30, 40 years back. So will you believe the treatment that is ancient, which works without any side effects? I hope you should go with that. Yes, you can. A lot of people are asking tomato juice with seeds. Yes, of course. If you have pathri, if you have kidney stones, gallbladder stones, eat tomatoes with stones or with seeds. If the tomato is ripe, no problem at all. No problem at all. Oxalate will never develop. But if the tomato is, not ripe, then it is problematic. And in juices mein to, it has to, the residue does not mix in the juice. So yes, if you're taking out the juice, go with the whole tomato. Coconut replacement, I have told, I will not tell it again because you might have missed. That is my rule number 1. Pomegranate, 100 grams. That's it. अब नहीं दोबारा नहीं बोलूंगा. You all have understood the replacement of coconut water if it is not available. Type yes in the chat box. Never go with the Tetra Pak coconut water. Never go with a Tetra Pak. It is nothing but it is just packed with so much. Even if it is written no added colors, no added preservatives, you don't have to go, right? How to ripen tomato? Watch my courses. How many of you know how the Apsara ripes the fruit? How natural ethylene gas is being produced? Type me in the chat box if you have seen the courses. Those who have not seen, I am so sorry. I am really very sorry. You are not very serious. Please continue with whatever knowledge you have, because heart is very dangerous. See all those me, they have watched the videos. It's very sad you have not watched the videos. Very, very sad. My heart comes out for, I feel very pity for you if you have not watched that, right? Perfect. Now let's move ahead. And go understand the bigger game, okay? So now we will be understanding clean eating essentials. Okay, now this part is the most important part. And by the way, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, in 15 minutes, we will be completing 6 hours of training. If time is flying, type TF in the chat. Perfect. You can email me. My team will solve your technical issue. I think 10 minutes ka bola tha, but I gave you 15 minutes break, and this break went to 20 minutes, I guess. So I think 35 minutes less, and will be completing almost 6 hours. Yeah, and we have almost 4 hours to go. So if you have the stamina, type S in the chat box. Perfect. Very nice. So ladies and gentlemen, I'll be very frank and open with you. I'm not going to repeat anything because 6 hours of content cannot be repeated. You have to be with me since 9 a.m. Right? If it is making sense to you, type MS. Somebody just wrote, I missed my morning part. Can you please repeat? Practically, it is not possible, right? You also know that. भाई क्या अब गया आपका समय वो गया 2 महीने और खाओ दवाइयाँ, right? ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा you can attend Hindi workshop. I cannot repeat. It's next to impossible, Yeah. Chaliye. So now let's start the session and understand clean eating essentials. Pesticides protection protocol. Now these are the most dangerous thing when we put pesticides in vegetables, when we put pesticides in fruits, that is actually killing humans, that is actually making us ill. Why we don't eat apples? Because apple is a poison, it is written. I'll show you live अभी थोड़ी देर में. It is a, मैं डॉगी को ना दूं भाई ये, right? So it is a, why it is written, it's a poison, right? I'll show you exactly why it is a poison and why nobody should eat apples. But before I come to the apple part, before I come to the milk part, I have certain questions. These are the common questions that comes to me, right? That Vishal, there's a lot of pesticides and you're asking us to eat raw cucumber and tomato. So, okay. So the first question is, does cooking kill pesticides? Should we eat organic and non-organic foods? If you're eating organic thinking आप बहुत महान काम कर रहे हो, organic is bullshit. Mark my words, organic is bullshit. ठीक है, बहुत खुश नहीं होना कि I'm eating organic, we only purchase organic fruits and vegetables in our home. It's bullshit. ठीक है, mark my words. Third number, how to avoid buying GMO fruits and vegetables. GMO means genetically modified organisms. How many of you are now very clear what is GMO? Type me in the chat box. Genetically modified organisms. You have seen my videos. Now you've been with me from so long now. Amazing. So man-made seeds. In a nutshell, man-made seeds. Wheat and rice is man-made. When you eat 1 kg wheat, it requires 8,000 liter water. Right? When you eat 1 kg rice, it requires 7,000 liters water. Okay? So a young girl sitting in my clinic at the age of 12 eating depression tablets. From the age of 7, she got her period started. 7 साल क्या उम्र होती है भाई? 7 साल की एज में a girl has got her periods, which is now common. 7, 10, 11, 9, 7, 9, 10, 7, 9, 10. It's what I have been seeing. Right? So everything lies in the food that you're eating. Right? Everything lies in the food you're eating. And if you're eating wheat, it is the मेरे खेतों का wheat है. It is just an illusion. 1 kg wheat requires 8,000 liters water because it is man-made since Green Revolution. I've discussed this with you in my 47 rupees class. And 1 kg rice, when you eat, requires 7,000 liters water. Now, when it is man-made seeds, it needs more water. When it is man-made, any seed, it needs more water. And when that water is been standing, how many of you have seen how wheat and rice has been cultivated? How the farming is done? 4 months, 3 months, 4 months, 4.5 months, the water is standing खेतों में. Type yes. Type yes if you have observed. Right? Now, if that water is standing, insecticides will come, na? I mean, insects will come, they'll put insecticides, they'll put pesticides. So the definition of food is a food which has no roots is not a food. A food which has no roots is not a food. Now you will say wheat and rice have roots, but they are man-made. They're not consuming the minerals from the Mother Earth. Very low quantity of minimum, minerals they are coming. Right? Now the next question that comes to me is the proper way of washing fruits and vegetables, the proper way of washing leaves. Okay. Now, does cooking kill pesticides? Let's first pick this question. Now, many of my students, even you, might be thinking that Vishal is asking us to eat raw tomato and raw cucumber. It might be having pesticides. What will happen? Type yes if that question comes to your mind, if that question haunts you sometime, pesticides will come in the fruit, in the vegetable. Okay. So it's flooding with yes, 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 yes. I want each one of you to keep your chat visible to everyone, okay? Dhruv, can you please make that setting? क्योंकि जब जैसे लोग लिखने वाले होते हैं वो host and panelist हो जाता है. So team, can you please send this message to Dhruv? Now, if your mind is saying that cooking kills pesticides, your mind says raw has pesticides. So it means the opposite picture in your mind is कि when we will cook, it will kill the pesticides. Type yes, यही तो opposite बना ना. If your mind is saying raw has pesticides or raw has pesticides, what is the opposite of that? The opposite of that in running in your mind is ki cooked will kill the pesticides. Let's say this is a bottle gourd, though it is a cucumber. Let's say this is a bottle gourd, and a farmer has put an injection in it of pesticides to grow it. Now, this bottle gourd, just saying it is cucumber as a bottle gourd. This bottle gourd comes to your home. It has pesticides. You wash this. It has pesticides. You peel the bottle gourd. It has pesticides. You chop the bottle gourd. It has the pesticides. Now, when you put the bottle gourd into the kadai or a pan and you switch on the gas, will the pesticides jump from the kadai? Heat. Pesticides are already dead. If I am a farmer and this is a bottle gourd, let's say, in the night, I will put an injection into it. I have seen the size of the bottle gourd increases 1 to 2 inches, maybe 3 inches, it increases. In the night, if you hear the noise of the bottle gourd, the noise is coming. Something like that noise is coming. And next day you will see this bottle gourd ki length is 3 inch taller. Now it will be sold at a higher price. So the point I am trying to establish here is, first, if there is a pesticides in a vegetable, they are already dead. The life of a pesticides in any vegetable is maximum 3 hour, 4 hour. Whatever has to be done in 3 to 4 hours, maximum 5 hours. Now, if you think you will heat it, you will boil it, you will steam it, you will fry it, you will bake it, you will oven it, the pesticides will die. It's a myth. Pesticides are already dead. Am I clear on this? Type C in the chat box if it is clear. Pesticides are already dead. अब आप इसको हीट कर लो, पका लो, जला लो, कुछ नहीं होगा. They're already dead. Number 1. Number 2, pesticides have not reached that level जितना we are afraid. Who has done this marketing? मतलब I thought back in 2012-13 कि if I will not eat organic, I will die. मतलब ऐसा मेरा mindset हो गया था. This marketing is done by the organic industry. Right? This marketing is done by the organic industry. What is organic? The seeds are different, the soil is better, and they're putting cow dung into that. If 20 years back, if somebody told you we are giving you organic, which has more cow dung, okay, but one of the same thing, you are dying. Organic food is not very amazing. You know, the food should be grown in diversity. The food should be grown in a kind of forest. The food, now this organic thing is very hygienic. That is one thing. Nutrition, very less, right? So coming back to pesticide wala part, then we'll come to organic. Sorry, I got diverted. Pesticide wala part chal raha tha. So pesticides, one thing you have to be very clear that any vegetable, if a farmer is putting pesticides, the life is 3 to 4 hours, maximum 5 hours. और उतनी देर में तो it will come to the mandi, then you will buy, then it will come to your home. 5 hours are are passed. Now the most important thing is, what are the food that is GMO जिससे आपको बचना है? The first one is wheat, because it is nothing but GMO since the Green Revolution. So what you will do, please go to page number 105. Zero grain atta. Can you see that? Zero grain atta. Type yes if you can see that.
Select are they?
Perfect. So these are the 4 ingredients. Very nice. Sunflower seeds, chia seeds, almonds, coconut powder, equal quantity. Make a chapati of this. If budget is low, you don't have to consume almonds. If budget is low, you don't have to consume almonds. Then you can put any dal. It can be moong dal, it can be arar dal, it can be tuar dal. Any dal you can put and make chapati of it. Many of these students have already starting eating this chapati and they're getting amazing results, right? So this is one thing. Even if you have to make a wheat chapati, I would say no. But even if you have to make wheat chapati, 20% wheat, that's it. You can add, any other grain that you feel is better, but not wheat, not rice. Now millets, any lot of people have made millets like the next big revolution is millets. Fine, excellent work done by Dr. Khadarwali. Excellent work, no doubt in that. Millet is a fire food. My mother is earth. My sister is water. When they eat fire food, boom, they feel bloated and gas. How many of you have eaten millets and it did not suit you? Type me in the chat box. Me. It's flooding. Again, great work done by Dr. Khadarwali Sahab. He is doing excellent work, I would say. But millet is not meant for people who have water elements. My mother starts bloating. My mother gets constipation. I give it to my sister. She's water element. It's not, I'm fire. I love millets. I'm fire. I love millets. So all my 2 elements are matching. My current element is air and my X factor is earth. So X factor has nothing to do with food. It has to do with habits. So you need to understand that whether your body is really meant to eat grains, right? So the most important thing over here is, first you need to find out the alternative of wheat, and that I've given in the page number 105. Please go and try that. Give this recipe to your sister, give this recipe to your mother, and start eating that chapati. Rice. The more branded rice you will eat, basmati rice, falana rice. If you see in marriages, the white, the rice is so big in white in color. Type yes. It is so big in, mote dane hote hain, and white, it is all polished. The bigger the rice, the whiter the rice, the more polished it is. Again, rice is GMO. But even if you have to consume that rice, go with tukda rice. Tukda. Tukda means broken. So when rice has been harvested, some of the rice they break down and the cost of that rice go very down. So these rice is being eaten by the people who are from, low financial backgrounds, like laborers and, rickshawalas. I've seen people eating, but I also purchase that rice. It's absolutely fine. Again, it is GMO. It is GMO. That is the underlying fact. But it is not polished. It is not refined. So my takeaway would be, you can go with the red rice. You can go with black rice, right? That's it. Black rice, red rice, or tukda chawal. That's it, right? So many people, they don't digest red rice. Then the other option for you is quinoa. Quinoa, quinoa, right? Otherwise, if anything is not working, then go with tukda rice. Brown rice, never. Don't go with brown rice. Brown rice takes a lot of time in cooking. Imagine what will happen in your stomach. Okay. And this is about wheat and rice. Wheat is a very dangerous grain because the gluten, the glue, it actually sticks in your endothelium layer. So endothelium layer will be coming tomorrow and I'll teach you, but for 21 days, avoid wheat and rice. Wheat alternative I have given you. Rice, minimize it and take it tukda chawal. Tukda means the surplus, the broken one, right? Clear? Type C in the chat box if it is clear. Now there are so many kinds of wheat in the market, it's like a confusion. Simply go with tukda rice. That's it. Okay. Now coming to the next two things which has been very very much adulterated is cucumber and tomato itself, right? Now tomatoes, ये मेरे खेत के tomatoes हैं. This is organic. Sorry, this is desi, right? This is desi tomato. Right now, GMO tomatoes are not available in the market. If you remember, how many of you were in the last workshop? May वाले में कौन कौन था? Type me. You must have seen. I showed you one tomato which was like egg shape. Egg shape. So, if you see these tomatoes, the desi tomatoes are round in shape, and when you cut them, the seeds inside are very small, right? And when you eat them, the new taste, scientist, एक मीठा है, sugar, sweet is there, salty is there, bitter is there, sour is there. This is new taste. Umami. This is a bit unripe. ये नहीं खाना है. This is, you can see it's yellowish, orangish, and this one एकदम right. Can you see the difference? Type yes in the chat box. Right? So this is not ripe. It will give you oxalates. लिख लो oxalates, OXLATES, oxalates. It will give you phytic acid, PHYTIC, phytic acid. It will give you cellulose, CELLULOSE, cellulose. These are the three things which is making people ill: phytic acid, oxalate, cellulose. This right one has nothing. Now the GMO ones, it will be egg shape. They sell it by saying सलाद वाला टोमेटो, सैलेड वाला टोमेटो. उसका कोई टेस्ट ही नहीं है. Very thick seeds inside it. This will be umami in taste. This one will be umami khatta meetha in taste. So a desi tomato will be round in shape. The GMO is egg shaped, लंबा सा. Can you find this difference? Ask सब्जी वाला कि भैया ये देसी है, और जैसे आगरा में they don't say GMO, they say hybrid. भैया hybrid है ये. You're getting my point? So this is the tomato you have to eat, which is round in shape. Now let's come to cucumbers. Okay? This is desi cucumber. Can you see teda meda? This side is yellowish, brownish. This side is green. Right? You will never eat cucumber with this छिलका. Right? अभी मेरे पास पील करने का टाइम नहीं है, मैं आपको ऐसे काट करके दिखा देता हूं. Now see, the seeds are so small and tender. देखिए नहीं रहे आपको seeds. Right? Now the GMO ones, ये है तो देसी, ये this is देसी, but GMO is simple, सीधा. ये थोड़ा टेढ़ा मेढ़ा है. This is देसी. Now GMO is straight in line of one. That dark green wala cucumber, that is organic. So your first preference is eating desi खीरा. Abhi desi खीरा is coming. Okay, abhi desi खीरा is coming. GMO is slightly the same color, right? But it is very straight, and the seeds are very big. इसमें seeds होते ही नहीं है. होते हैं, but it just dissolves in your mouth, right? So the first option is this. The second option is dark green kheera, that is organic. That is second option. It's not very amazing thing to eat, but again it is hygienic. Nutrition very less. But GMO kheera is very straight, same color, but the seeds are very thick. You don't have to consume them. समझ में आया? Type yes in the chat box. Right? Don't be very much fascinated with organic food. It has no nutrition in it. It has no nutrition in it. थोड़ा बस मामूली nutrition मिल जाएगा. Don't be fascinated. और organic कुछ नहीं है उसमें. Regional, eat seasonal. That's it. eat regional, eat seasonal, that's it, right? So organic food is very much highly grown in a condition in which nutrition is very less and it has nothing in it. Regional and seasonal is something which is growing as per the season, as per the weather. It is natural seed. किसी ने वो भगवान के seed बनाए हुए हैं. Okay. Now coming to the point, uh, tomato, wheat. Now let's say you are living in USA. In foreign countries, 90% of the food is GMO. If not 90%, 70%. Right? America is one example, New Zealand is one example, Canada is one example. 60, 70, 80, 90%, 60 to 90% of the food is GMO. If you don't believe, just type on Google Monsanto, Monsanto, Monsanto. Bill Gates is buying lands after lands after lands, and he's just developing agriculture lands, giving sweets. American sweet corn is GMO. When you go in a malls, they give you एक छोटी सी स्टॉल लगी होती है, 80 rupees, 90 rupees, 100 rupees. That is all American sweet corn. So these are the things. Main is wheat and rice. That alternative I have given you. Cucumber and tomato. Select and eat. American sweet corn, no, never. Right now, this is, you know, season, monsoon season is of, you know, or that challi coming, bhutta, sweet corn, India ka desi challi bhutta. That is what we have to consume. Now, when you are living in USA and let's say 60-70% food is vegetables are pesticides over there, right? What you will do, how to eat that food? Because in India, that culture is now growing. In India also, food is becoming, GMO, majority of them. So what you will do, you will cut the slices like this of any vegetable, right? You will cut the slices like this, okay? Like 4 slices done, and then cut it to half. Put it in the water for 4 hours. 4 hours to 5 hours, minimum 3 hours, तो डालना ही डालना है. So what will happen? The water is absorb. What will water do? Whatever pesticides, whatever man-made pesticides or inorganic nutrition is there will come in the water. This technique is called leaching. Leaching, leaching. Usually leaching is done for kidney patients जिनका dialysis चल रहा होता है, or their creatinine is very high, right? They have to be on very less nutrition and 0.1% भी उनकी body में potassium should not go, right? In that case they do leaching. ऐसा नहीं है कि pesticides will not go into your body, it will go, but 60 to 80% less pesticides will go into your body. Why? Because you are doing leaching. जैसे मैं अहमदाबाद गया था एक बार, कई बार जा चुका हूँ भाई. I don't know how गुजराती peoples are living. वहाँ कुछ है ही नहीं. मतलब ढोकला खा लो, 3-4 चीज़ें थी. मैं अब ठेल पे खड़ा हूँ कि भैया हम क्या खाएंगे, चलो केले खा लेते हैं. कच्चे केले पड़ा हूँ, मैं कहा भैया तो मर गए हम. फ्रूट्स GMO, वेजिटेबल्स खीरा टमाटर GMO. देन आई डिसाइडेड कि यार ये लीचिंग करना ही बेस्ट है. हैव अ 2 liters 3 liters patila, put water, chop the vegetables and put it in it for 3 to 4 hours. Because in India GMO is increasing, but at the same time guys, I am telling you, mark my words, if you are eating India ka regional and seasonal fruits and vegetables, you are very lucky. फॉरेन में नहीं मिलता इजीली. पहले मिलता था, अब वहां पे ऑल एवरीथिंग इज हैपनिंग GMO. इफ यू एग्री, टाइप AG इन द चैट बॉक्स. मम्मी, राइट? तो फायदा उठाइए इसका. दैट इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट. इज कॉल्ड लीचिंग. नाउ द बेस्ट वे ऑफ राइपनिंग द फ्रूट्स इज producing your natural ethylene gas. which you already have started doing it. How many of you are eating ripe fruits and vegetables the way I have taught you? Type me in the chat box. आप बीमार पड़ ही नहीं सकते. You cannot get ill. Keep your chat visible to everyone. Right? Very nice. Right? And those who have not watched the video, आज मैं आपके लिए भगवान जी से प्रेयर करूंगा कि आपको सद्बुद्धि दे, क्योंकि आपको मौत खाने की आदत पड़ गई है क्या? नकली खाना, नकली खाना, नकली खाना, नकली खाना, नकली खाना, अनराइप फ्रूट्स, प्री हार्वेस्टेड फ्रूट्स. प्लीज वॉच दैट. राइट? वेरी नाइस. संजय इज राइटिंग currently preparing अप्सरा. वेरी गुड. दैट इज वॉट इज नीडेड. राइट? किसका बना रहे हो संजय? किसका बना रहे हो? मैंगो का, बनाना का, किसका बना रहे हो? अनार का. वेरी गुड. मैं भी अनार के 2 बना रहा हूँ, बन जाएंगे वो. वेरी नाइस. So the most important thing over here is selecting the right fruits and vegetables, eating regional, seasonal, ripening them. Go and make it a habit once in 30 days. कुछ नहीं करना है. Go to Mandi. Go to Mandi. See the onions. Why this is purplish? Why this is purple white? Why this is whitish? I came to know few years back that 2 kinds of pineapple, Raja, Rani. Rani will give more juice. Raja is good for eating. Once you see the variety, what is GMO, this is Desi, and you will see the vegetable and buy that. How many of you can go once in a month, go to Mandi, buy fruits and vegetables at 50% less cost? Not just to save money, but to explore, to see the knowledge कि भाई अच्छा ये ऐसे ऐसे होता है. Right? बहुत बढ़िया. Voice is clear 100%? Type 100. Okay, thank you. हाँ, those who have not seen 19 natural medicines, check your email. If you have not received email, email us at connect@gonaturclassrooms.org. Anybody technical team can please put the email address in the chat box one more time, though I have given many times. My team is putting the chat email address connect वाला, उस पर आप email कर दो and try to watch it today itself. आज ही complete कर डालो. Making Apsara, it is in the videos, right? Perfect. Now washing. Okay, now let's come to the next question. Does cooking kill pesticides? I hope this is clear. The only vegetable that you cannot eat raw is earth vegetable. The only vegetable that you cannot eat raw is earth vegetable, because anything which is not in the earth, it is above the earth. It is not raw. Actually, it is solar cooked. Imagine there is a vegetable being in the khet, let's say cauliflower, or let's say cucumber. They are sun charged. They are sun cooked. समझ में आ रहा है sun cooked क्या होता है? Type yes in the chat box. Now carrot is beneath the earth. Potato is beneath the earth. Sweet potato beneath the earth. These are earth food. Turnips beneath the earth. They have no sunlight. Though the leaves on the top is getting, but not the vegetable. The only vegetable that you can eat raw is onion. Reason, it is a layer. Goal, 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 goal. It has some air element into that. And the only way you can eat the earth vegetable is either by cooking them, or steam them, or boil them. You can drink juices. You can drink carrot juice. You can drink radish juice. These vegetables you do not have to eat raw, because when you eat raw, it will produce oxalates, it will produce phytic acid, it will produce cellulose. It is insoluble fiber. Onions you can eat. Onions is in layers. Onion layers में होता है. Goal, 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 goal. It has some particles of air in that, right? Onion is the only earth vegetable which can be eaten raw. Nobody else. Juice you can drink. Juice you can drink, but remove the chilkas and then make the juice. Remove the chilkas and then make the juice. Yeah, radish ka juice, beetroot ka juice, carrot juice. Remove the chilkas, take out the juice, and then drink. 100 milliliter is fine. ठीक है? So now the next question is, should we eat organic or non-organic? So 2014 में when I started my clinic, nobody knew what is naturopathy. So every month पापा 8,000 रुपये देना, क्या हो गया? रेंट देना पापा. This was the story. मम्मी 5,000 रुपये देना, क्या हो गया? वो सैलरी देनी है रितिका की. सिस्टर को सिंगापुर में 10,000 रुपये भेज दे प्लीज. That was because nobody knew what is naturopathy. So that was the struggle. I started from 25 rupees consultation, 4 hours, and then you eat. Clear? Type C in the chat box. So now I'm a critical thinker. Nutrition wise, apple is okay. Apple is okay. कोई महान चीज नहीं है ये. Nutrition wise, the king of fruits should be guava. Those who are doing research work will agree with me. Type AG in the chat box. The king of fruits is not mango. It is not apple nutrition wise. It is guava. The king of fruits is guava. It was, it is, it will be. Now everybody, they made this, na? An apple a day keeps the doctor away. Why? Because maximum injections are put in this apples. Maximum. The only condition you can eat apple is if in Himachal Pradesh or Jammu Kashmir you have your own orchards. Halaki there is no such thing as apple orchards or mango orchards. Fruit is grown in forest. A mango tree will go for 12 years. Roots will go very deep inside. Mango will ripe. It will fall down. So this is the place from where you have to select the fruit. The more dark it is, the better it is. The more raw it is, you are eating poison. You are eating poison since childhood because it is pre-harvested. The stack, this is the womb. ये जैसे, you know, we are connected by the umbilical cord when we are born. This is the umbilical cord of a fruit, right? And it will fall automatically. This is natural delivery. But what we are doing, 3 months, 2 months before, we pluck the fruits. That is C-section. And that fruit will have oxalates. And that is why ripening the fruit is the most important thing. समझ में आ रहा है? Type yes. So those who have seen the videos, attended my morning session, attending my evening session, attending this, तुम्हारी मौज ही मौज हो रही है यहाँ पे. Type yes in the chat box. तुम everything you are connecting now. आप न्यूट्रिशनिस्ट बन चुके हो अपने. Type yes if you agree, right? And those who have not seen the videos, वो सर खुजला रहे हैं. But no problem. You still have lost nothing, guys. I'm just motivating you. This is different. ये एक अलग चैप्टर है. Recorded is अलग चैप्टर. उसको भी देखना. ठीक है? So those who have not seen, please promise me that within 3 to 7 days you will try to complete it. Type P in the chat box if you promise. सारे कनेक्शन आपके सुधर जाएंगे. कुछ भी नहीं करना आपको. मुश्किल से 2 घंटे की वीडियो नहीं है वो, 3 घंटे की. ठीक है जी? बहुत बढ़िया. Very nice, very nice, very nice. You all are champions, guys. You just need some right information. You all are champions. चलो, अब next question क्या आता है? How to avoid buying GMO fruits and vegetables? Simple, say no. Regional, seasonal. GMO खाना ही नहीं है, खत्म बात. The proper way of washing fruits and vegetables, the proper way of washing leaves. So now you have 3 kinds of milawat in front of you. First मिलावट is pesticides, which again is not in your hands. वो farmer करता है, but you are not in danger zone. The second kind of मिलावट is pesticides के बाद GMO. सीड ही man-made है. Imagine. यहाँ pesticides में क्या है कि it was maybe seasonal, regional, but they put injection and they make it bigger to sell at costlier price. GMO is, it is man-made seed, it is man-made seeds and everything. So native seeds, write this word native, N-A-T-I-V-E, native. Whenever you are planting a tree, whenever you are planting any herbs, The seed should be native. Okay, it should not be hybrid, it should not be GMO. Now this third kind of मिलावट is, for example, you all have seen that video in which somebody was doing from knife like this. और भाई the wax was coming. Oh, इसमें भी आ रहा है, इसमें भी आ रहा है, ये देखो. Can you see white? Type yes. ये देखो, अरे बाप रे भाई, ये देखो, ये देखो, देखो, वाइट. सी है ना, क्योंकि हम हमारे घर में कोई खाता तो है नहीं, तो हमने इसको धोया भी नहीं, हमने इसको. अरे भाई
3:30 बजे घर से निकले.
कैन यू सी वाइट? टाइप यस. ये देखो. नाउ दिस इज थर्ड काइंड ऑफ मिलावट, है ना. दिस इज थर्ड काइंड ऑफ मिलावट. अब नेक्स्ट इज वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग, हाउ टू वॉश फ्रूट्स एंड वेजिटेबल्स. नाउ देयर आर two kinds of fruits. One is labor free fruits. Write this word, labor free. What is labor free? Banana, guava. छीला और खा लिया, मतलब guava में you don't have to do any hard work. चीकू. Now if I say take mango in office, take watermelon in office, take pomegranate in office, you will never take because it takes lot of time in cutting. Type yes if you're understanding. मैंने क्या बोला? Labor free fruits, like खाना नहीं है, but apple is a labor free, orange is labor free, banana is labor free, ठीक है, चीकू is labor free, guava is labor free, grapes is labor free, है ना. तो जो labor free fruits है ना, चाहे जो भी हो, when you are eating them directly, you have to wash it with a certain way. Now what is that method? What is that method? There are 4 things that can be added. Now first one is potassium permanganate. This is very amazing thing, but the problem is if you take more than required, it can have its own side effects. So 10-12 liters water, just 2 pinch potassium permanganate. It is not 2 inch or 2 grams or 2 tablespoons or 2 teaspoons. No. What is pinch? Let's say this is माचिस की तीली. You put it in the potassium permanganate and touch like this. Whatever comes, just dilute in water one more time. Clear? चुटकी भरा, बिल्कुल चुटकी, पिंच है ना. एक चुटकी सिंदूर की, तुम क्या जानो, तुम क्या कीमत, something like that. तो 2 pinch potassium permanganate, 10-12 लीटर पानी. Soak fruits and vegetables in it for 5-6 minutes. Then wash in fresh water of 2 minutes. Now one day my mother came. My mother says me, Vishu, pasu. Now we will not wash fruits and vegetables in potassium permanganate. मैंने क्या हुआ मम्मी, what happened? कह रही नहीं इसको फेंक दो. क्या हुआ मम्मी, क्या हुआ बताओ तो सही. So she went to our neighbors and they saw her कि भाई ये पतीला है, let's say, and here was a big hole. There was a big hole. कहती उनके, you know, in their utensils there is a big hole because they are washing and cleaning in potassium permanganate. मैंने कहा 1 मिनट. मैंने कहा हाउ मच क्वांटिटी? कहते पूछे नहीं. मैंने पूछो. शी कॉल्ड दैट लेडी, माय नेबर, इन 1 liter पोटेशियम परमैंगनेट शी वाज पुटिंग 1 teaspoon. भाई वो अभी तक जिंदा कैसे हैं, मुझे इस पे डाउट हो रहा है अभी तक वो जिंदा कैसे हैं. इन 10-12 liter वाटर, जस्ट 2 pinches, 2 चुटकी. क्लियर? टाइप सी इन द चैट बॉक्स इफ इट इज क्लियर. ठीक है. दिस इज द बेस्ट मेडिसिन. इफ यू सी गुरुद्वारा में लंगर, इफ यू सी एनी कीर्तन, भजन, सत्संग जहां पे लंगर लगता है, दे आर वॉशिंग द यूटेंसिल्स इन पोटेशियम परमैंगनेट. टाइप यस इन द चैट बॉक्स इफ यू हैव सीन, है ना. हाँ. सो 2 pinch potassium permanganate, 10-12